Kuthulwe ngalokusemthethweni luhlelo letekuphepha lemaholide akhisimusi. Emaphoyisa atibophelele ukuvikela abantu balelive kulamaholide akhisimusi. Avala umgwaqo kukhombisa ukuthi akulungele kulisana nalabo aphula umthetho. Kanti-ke lukhetfo labohulumende basemakhaya lutosetshenziswa kuhlola tinsita tekubukana nalesimo kutfola ukuthi tikulungele yini ngaphambi kwemaholide akhisimusi.
In stamping the authority of the state, we resorted to maximum deployment of security forces. The unfortunate thing is that I cannot give you the numbers for security reasons, but it is maximum deployment of security forces.
Bonke bucala botawube bubuke ngeliso lelikhaliphile lokufaka ikhatsi kuhlukubete ngekwebulili. Kanti-ke amaphoyisa adzinga ukusebenzisana nemphakathi kucinisekisa ukuphepha kwawo nalapho uhlala khona.
In some communities, you would have the situation where there is a lot of assault GBH, there's a lot of domestic violence, which is your gender-based violence. You'll have a lot of common assaults, you'll have murders, you'll have rapes.
Abaholi benzabuko bende lubide kumalunga emphakathi ukuthi adlale inzima kulisana nebugebengu ngikubikela emaphoyisa.
Lokhu sikubonile singamakhosi ukuthi kunebatali laba uma abantwana babo benda ubugebengu benda bubi abakhoni ukureporta lokuganga lokho. Kungako sithi batali wena mtali lovikela umntwana wakho uma onile ungareport nawe ungumtali kusho ukuthi usigebengu ngokwakho.
Emaphoyisa nelithemba lekuyiphumelela imbi ebugebengu ikakhulu kulamaholide akhisimusi.